guys, mag-arrange tayo ng beads dahil sobrang dumi na. Ang una ay this is pink, this is yellow, this is dark pink, this is green, light green, this is dark, mint green, light green, light orange, gold, black, pink, mint blue. Then blue beads, yung letters, pink letters with flowers, and letters ulit, flowers, letters ulit, blue, flowers and beads. This one. Arrange natin to sa next video.
Years later.
How many weeks? Natapos ko na. Ito na yun. Tapos, i-arrange ko na sa mga ibang kulay. Kunyari, red. Dito, red, blue, pink, purple, orange, green, yellow. Like that. Then this one, the design of beads. And then next, this one. I think tomorrow. Because this one is very long day. Nasimulan ko na guys. Wala akong video dahil ang hirap mag-video habang nag-ayos. Let's go! Lipat na! Ito yung nagawa ko. Purple, orange, red. Daming red. Tapos ito. Gagawin ko yun yung lahat. Let's go.